cash flow boost. Seems like a great boost if you can get it. But my phone calls and me being here at 8:59 at night trying to produce a grainy video tells me a lot of people are missing out. I just wanted to share 3 key lessons from the cash flow boost and dealing with the ATO so you can successfully get your boost. This is my first video, so please bear with me. Before I dive into the 3 points, let me give you some context. The ATO is implementing a lot of massive law changes right now, and at the same time, many of their staff are working from home. They are building systems and processes as fast as they can, but it's not easy and mistakes can and will be made. The cash flow boost is complex legislation, and everyone is different. The JobKeeper is complex too, and keeps on changing. What this means is, just because they've said no, it doesn't have to stay that way. You have a reasonably good chance of still being entitled to it and getting paid. So here are the 3 points. Number 1, go through the rules yourself. The ATO website does not necessarily reflect the law. It just reflects what the ATO is thinking. The website keeps changing. The law says that either you qualify or you don't. Apply the principles from the legislation. I've made a template for this. You can use it if you want. If you qualify, then you qualify, and you should be paid. Number 2, figure out what the real problem is. For example, a lot of people are missing out because they registered for PAYG withholding too late. That's not a requirement of the law. Even the ATO website says so. Other people are missing out due to the timing of their tax return or BAS. If you go through the list, you can probably figure out what the problem is. For PAYG, it's that the ATO thinks you probably just registered so you could get the cash flow boost. That is the issue that needs to be addressed. Their letters don't tell you this. You have to figure it out for yourself and address it. If you don't, you have very little chance of getting it resolved. Number 3, work out the appropriate procedural mechanism within the ATO. The ATO is a bureaucracy. It has many systems and processes. Find the one that works in this situation and use it. Don't use the wrong one. You will waste a lot of time. For example, some people are complaining to the Inspector General. That's great, but they look at processes being followed more so than anything else. If it doesn't relate to following a process, they may not be able to help you and you will be wasting your time. Anyway, these are 3 takeaways from the inquiries we have been getting, but if you follow these 3, you should have a good chance of getting it to work out. I've put a link to the template I mentioned before in the video below, or if you want to talk to us, please feel free to call our office. Our number is 02 7200 8200. That's 02 7200 8200. Best of luck.